are going to see this mind-blowing feature that has been launched by Gohighlevel. Literally, it's as if you are commanding a genie to create a website the way that you want. Do this, do that. You just give a command and it is going to just create the website for you. And this is not blowing the things out of proportion. I've literally tested it myself, and I'm going to show you live how do you actually do that. So before, like, if you don't have access to this funnels or the website AI creation, so you need to first of all go to agency settings, click on labs, and over here, as you can see, you can get access to the respective things. So within the labs, you need to select the sub account, and because I have enabled all the sub account things, so it's not showing right now. So you need to select the sub account and just choose that funnels or the website AI, and like, you have to enable it, activate the feature. The moment that you do that at the sub account level, that's it. Okay, so right now I was not at the agency level. Let me just go back to the agency level. So here is the settings, and here is the labs, and here you go at the sub account level, and you scroll it down, and you will be able to see brand new funnel AI and website AI. So in my case, I have already activated, right, enabled for all sub account in my case, and you have to click on activate. It's getting live in 14 days. So now once you have done it, now go to the respective sub account engine, and then you can see this particular feature. By the way, guys, I've left the link at the top. Join my community, 100% free. We are going to conduct the free mastermind calls. Mastermind is the think and grow rich principle, which can literally skyrocket your success. What mastermind will be all about: how to grow your clients, how to acquire as many clients as possible. So please do join the community, abdullahzahid.com/community, 100% free, specifically for the Gohighlevel. So I go to the websites right now, and I'm going to live create a new website with the AI, and literally I'm going to show you how amazing it is. Now let me just write it as test with AI. I mean, I'm just giving a random name because, yeah. Let me just click on create. So I just click on add new page, and let's say test AI page 1, and I click on create new page. So now let's say I want to do this create from blank, and over there the kind of page that I want. Let's say in this case I want an agency page where I can promote SaaS service. Like, my agency's name is Abdullah Zahid Enterprise, so I can write, let's say, agency page. Okay, as you can see, it's already writing the command, so I just write Abdullah Zahid Enterprise agency. What is the business niche? Marketing agency. What is the goal? Let's say generate leads, and then small businesses are we targeting, and probably let's say we are eventually for the free trial, right? So this has already generated certain instructions, but now I can just add instruction as per my wish. As I said, the Genie command, right? So let me just write, all right, wait, okay, I just messed it up. Okay, I'll just write it. I want to offer services of Gohighlevel as my white labeled agency. Services like AI chatbot, AI voice agent, AI voice widget, AI Google reviews, AI smart website, and let's say, and I am also offering people free trial for 14 days, and they can cancel any time. So it's a value based offering. Customers only convert when they find value. I mean, what I've done is that whatever just came to my mind, I've just written, and let me just hit on generate. Now when I hit on generate, like it'll take some time to generate. As you can see, it is now analyzing all the instruction what I'm trying to say, and then literally it is building this. Genie is building my page. So there is no harm, like if you are building the page, so you don't, I mean, it's not that this is the final page, because here is the modify part. Like I can just modify some certain things I don't like, and I'm like, okay, just modify this part, and probably I want this kind of image and this kind of that. So it's basically as if you are, whatever is you can imagine in your mind, and literally the website is being created. So imagine as an agency owner in the coming times, when you're providing this smart website, when you're providing this building website, let's say ABC mortgage industry, ABC med spa agency, I mean, I want to create that website for them specifically. I mean, just imagine, I mean, I can go and take, let's say, their existing detail and ask ChatGPT to create an instruction to create a website which is very attractive for this agency, put that instruction over here, and imagine the system is basically constructing the entire website. So literally this is a mind-blowing feature. This is where, like, when we are saying the AI is literally going to make a lot of money for the people, this is where, because I mean, imagine when I'm talking about building a website, I mean, I need somebody to actually, design the website and stuff. There is no hard and fact to check that, okay, this website is good or bad. People have done it. And now imagine if I just give it to someone that, hey, just design this website, this kind of website, and the person just came up with this, I'll be like, super amazing, right? So it's this all image this website has already created by itself. So now let us just try to see. Experience the future of marketing, unlock my AI-driven 14-day free trial, no commitment required, see real results before. Why choose AI-powered marketing? AI solution, automated this one, that one, revolutionary AI chatbot, AI voice agent, AI voice widget, AI Google reviews, AI smart website. I mean, you remember all these things I just wrote, and literally it has converted in the form of website and success testimonial. I just did the success testimonial. I mean, literally, I mean, when you see anybody who's watching this right now, I mean, if this is not a super amazing thing that is being built onto AI, then what it would be? The website creation is like one of the biggest thing on the internet, and literally you're giving certain things, and it is designing the website as it is. Now I can just edit the emails and phone number, but apart from that, I can even write, okay, certain things. Let's say, let me just try my logo. Okay, can you use above logo all through while and make website look more AI driven, meaning the images and text are all as if in a sci-fi AI world. Randomly I just thought of all these things right now, and now let us just try to see what it does. I mean, I'm very much impressed by this, guys, and that is why I wanted to make this video, so that you guys can see it and you guys can try it. Go to the settings, labs, enable it, and try it yourself. Imagine it's getting live in the 14 days. As an agency owner, like it's an amazing thing when we are trying to offer. And let's say we want to offer the client that, hey, that you want to build the website yourself, and you can build it yourself, like literally. So now, guys, let us try to see what it has done. And here it has just updated certain image with the AI sci-fi and stuff. Everything is updated, right? It's like AI driven. Okay, it didn't upload my logo due to whatever reason, but everything else is fine. I think I can just upload my logo myself out there, but literally it has done a great job, guys. And I've given this, you can build, let's say you want to build a specific to chiropractors, you want to build a specific to XYZ, you want to build a specific to affiliate marketing. All these websites can be built. So literally this is an amazing feature, guys. I mean, what would you say? Please comment down below. I would like to know your opinion on that. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you found the value. Please check it, and yes, do go and check this feature out. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with a Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
Just to further add to it, that you are even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these people will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible. Easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the Gohighlevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. And most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.